hello, and welcome to True, your 30-day yoga journey. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. You're in for a real treat. Today is your orientation day or your intention setting day with a quick video just to say hello and really wish you a happy new year and just give you a couple little things that might be helpful to consider before you begin tomorrow. All right, you're gonna need a yoga mat. If you have one, dust it off. If you really don't have one and you want to participate, you can use a towel or you can make do on a hard surface. Everyone, grab a blankie or a towel so you can pad the knees or lift the hips whenever you need to. And then of course, always show up wearing something comfy. This is the at-home yoga practice, so one of the joys of at-home yoga is you can wear whatever you want or go naked. I don't care. You're gonna need an open mind. You're gonna need a willingness to see yourself and love yourself hard. All right, last but not least, if you haven't already, sign up for my daily email and get your free downloadable calendar if you dig. At least the email is really nice because it helps you kind of go beyond just the physical asana practice and get a little more bang for your buck. And then the calendar is really great because you can download it and print it out, and it just helps you kind of follow along. It also helps you plan ahead because you can see the duration, the length of your practice so that you can plan accordingly. Okay, thank you so much for saying yes. I assure you that I have your back and I cannot wait to get started tomorrow. If you haven't already, invite your friends, your family, your neighbors, your coworkers, your foes, because I genuinely believe with all my heart that we all deserve to feel good and that we feel the best when we feel like ourselves. So remember, you don't need fixing. You're perfect the way you are. Just show up tomorrow as you are and all will be well. I'll see you then, my friend. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste.